Foldable phones have been around for years now. But let's be honest, they've still felt like a bit of an experiment. Cool? Yes. Mainstream? Not quite. But that could be about to change in a very big way, because Apple is finally getting ready to enter the foldable game. Yep, the long-rumored foldable iPhone is now expected to be unveiled this September. And if the leaks are even remotely accurate, this might not just be another foldable launch. This could be the moment the entire category explodes into the mainstream. Now here's where things start getting really interesting. Apple isn't just planning to launch a book-style foldable like everyone else. The company is reportedly working on a completely new display technology that could eliminate one of the biggest problems foldable users complain about, that very visible crease running down the middle of the screen. If Apple actually pulls this off, it could instantly make foldables feel more premium and more finished than ever before. Talking about the displays, the internal screen is expected to measure around 7.8 inches, basically giving you a small tablet experience when unfolded. On the outside, there's said to be a 5.5-inch cover display, which should make it comfortable to use like a regular phone without constantly needing to open it. Performance is also expected to be a major highlight. Under the hood, the foldable iPhone could be powered by Apple's upcoming A20 Pro processor, which is rumored to be built on TSMC's cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. This new chip is expected to use gate-all-around transistor technology, something that helps reduce power leakage while improving efficiency and performance. In simple terms, that could mean faster speeds, better battery life, and a smoother overall experience. Memory-wise, reports suggest the device will come with 12 GB of DDR5X RAM, putting it in line with Apple's current and upcoming Pro-level iPhones. Interestingly, the memory chips are expected to be supplied by Samsung, which shows just how interconnected the smartphone industry really is. Storage options are also said to be pretty straightforward. Apple might offer 3 variants: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. So whether you're a casual user or someone who basically lives on their phone, there should be an option that fits. Now let's talk about the part that might hurt a little: the price. Leaks suggest the foldable iPhone could start at around $1,999 for the base 256 GB model. Step up to 512 GB, and you're looking at roughly $2,199, while the top-end 1 TB version could hit about $2,399. That would easily make this the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever released. But despite the high price, analysts believe Apple entering this space could massively boost the entire foldable market. Some forecasts are even predicting up to a 30% increase in foldable smartphone shipments this year alone. And honestly, that wouldn't be surprising. Apple has a history of taking existing ideas and turning them into must-have products. So the real question now is, will the foldable iPhone finally make foldables go mainstream, or will it remain a premium niche gadget for enthusiasts? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you actually spend $2,000 on a foldable iPhone? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more upcoming tech leaks and deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.